Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not only follow me on Instagram or X at the Calibre, please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Monto. Let's do this. A spontaneous trip to Universal Studios Hollywood. We weren't even going to come till like 20 minutes ago.
The last minute.
I called you and I was like, you want to go? He's like, let's just do it.
Let's just go. Why not?
Yeah, it's too beautiful of a day not to go. So much has happened in the last couple days. One thing I want to talk about is John Cena. I was very angry how things ended, but now I've seen videos and just kind of more analysis of what happened. And a lot of people are speculating that he was supposed to win, but he chose to lose. Because if you watch right after the match ends, Gunther was kind of like, he tapped? Like he's asking the ref, like, did he really tap? So, and then I've seen the John Cena photo of him just smiling right before he taps. And, you know, just one of those, like, I'm ready to move on with life. I'm just happy for John Cena, man. What a career. 5 fires of a career for John Cena. Another thing that has happened today is the Marvel Doomsday trailer leaked. I don't even know if I could talk about it or not, but I saw it. At first I was kind of like, this has to be AI. But I don't know. To me, it was just something that happened and you just kind of don't care. But I feel like this trailer might take away from stuff that has happened in the last four years of after Endgame. So I don't know. We'll talk more into detail at some point about that Doomsday trailer. As Avatar is set to debut this week, I am going to watch Avatar. I might even watch it twice, so I'll be watching that trailer for sure in the big screen, which, you know, obviously that's what we all want to watch it in. But I can't wait, man. We are in for a lot of good movies to end this year and then next year. Doomsday, Spider-Man, Scream, if I'm not mistaken. There's just a lot of cool stuff that's going to be dropping next year.
Oh, hi! How are you?
How you doing? Oh, Glenda the Good. I'm going to get in line. Wow, toss.
Hi everyone. Happy holidays and merry everything. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a wonderful end to the year. Oh my love, I'll be holding a good thought for you.
Let's see if we could go say hi to the Grinch. I never had a chance to ask your name because
I didn't get a chance to ask you yours either. My name is Frutal. What is your name?
My name is Mondo from Whoville.
Mondo from Whoville? That's an incredible name. Welcome to Whoville. Yeah. I've never met somebody with the same name as Arville. Maybe you made the place.
Yeah.
Are you the founder of Whoville?
No. Just
that'd be very misleading. I won't tell the mayor. There will be a lot of competition there. You do not want the drama. It's a little too much.
Can you tell me a little bit about this?
Of course I can. Because I'm Frutal and I'm the weatherman here on Whoville, it's my job to tell the mayor what we can expect tonight on the snowflakes.
Oh.
Now, let's start with this right here. This is from a hot chocolate. It is very important to keep me warm.
Wow.
It's my little cup, and it helps me collect everything. And if it isn't full, like right now, it collects the snow from the night before, and it puts it into my chamber, and it helps me read it. Now, this is for my eyes, and my eyes only, of course, right? Because if I make it snow, only I can know about it.
Okay,
obviously. Now, let's move over to this. What do you think this does?
The wind.
That's very exciting. Now, what do you have to add to it?
I was going to say the wind, too.
The wind? Okay. Well, if it's moving this slowly, what does it tell you?
A little bit of wind. Little wind.
Exactly. Now, what if it...
A lot of wind.
Well, guess what? I've just made it snow right now. Do you believe me?
Oh my. What? What? Oh.
I believe you. Welcome.
Wow.
And now, if you stick around, I do have another surprise for you. When I light up this tree, you can expect more snow tonight.
We'll see you then. We'll see you then.
Forecast. I will see you then, all right?
Happy birthday. Why you said downside?
You're slowly getting there. Trying to get some updates on Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. As you can see, they are progressing big time on the Scream Shield over here. They just got that chunk right there still, and it's just right there. So they're probably going to be done with that very, very soon. We did see a test go by. I wasn't able to record because we were in Grinchmas area, but we saw it from the plaza. So we're gonna chill for a little bit and hopefully they do some testing. But we're gonna be able to get on one of the last studio tours because today they go to 5:15. The park closes at 7, so we get another hour. Usually they've been closing at 6. One thing too to talk about, the wall is done. Look at that. That was the final piece of insulation to go up, and they're done. Look at that big old wall all the way down there. Literally a massive wall. Keep all the screams over here. Another update over here at Fast and Furious. The wait time has finally gone up. You could expect that to be 3 hours for sure. It's gonna be a long waits out here. Time to do the studio tour. So today the last one's 5:15. We haven't had a chance to do Little Europe or Earthquake. So hopefully we get to do that today. I miss Earthquake, big time.
Straight from the Grinch's mouth. I can't believe I'm talking right into this microphone.
The Grinch just burped.
Folks, the Grinch's mouth is not taking pictures. There are no lines, but if you want to take a selfie, have your cameras out. The Grinch will take a selfie. There are no lines for taking pictures with the Grinch, but have your cameras out. You might
out here
follow on your
roaming.
selfies.
Roman Grinch.
But if you're coming down the escalators, oh my gosh.
Features from prehistoric times.
Featuring in the movie Back to the Future. We also have Courthouse Square is still here in our Metro sets. Most of them are closed off for production today, though.
Hey there, Studio Tour. I'm Snoop Dogg from The Voice, and we tape our show right here in stage 30 and 31.
War Wagon with Kirk Douglas and John Wayne. Sony Pictures was there for Once Upon a Time in Hollywood with Brad Pitt and Leo DiCaprio. The Call of the Wild with Harrison Ford.
Wow, that's a huge building now. It's an earthquake.
We're going to swing back there a little bit later on as well, but right now we're going to head over to the beach. shot. And we'll have strobe lights and speakers that give you thunder and lightning. We call these practical effects. They're tangible. You have total control over this during the filming process. Wait a second. We don't normally leave these on this long. Oh no. Guys, watch out. Thousands of gallons of recycled water released from tanks. Early days of the studio, back in 1915 when we first opened. On the same road here is where we filmed a sequence with my co-host, Jim McFallon.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
Once again, everybody, hold on.
They have cleared out the right side over here. Oh, that's something new. Also, too, we're in a quiet zone. I think they're filming on Falls Lake area.
With us at the top of the hill. This movie stars Anthony Perkins and Janet Leigh. We also have our official scale replica.
I've never done this as a quiet zone. Yeah, they're filming over here at Falls Lake. It seems like it's this. Dude.
Again, Carl Lemley, the pioneer of the studio tour over 110 years ago. And beautiful view out there of the San Francisco.
Is this a weather experiment you got here, Junior?
Yeah.
You got permits for this?
I feel this. I feel to go to Hollywood Horror Nights faster.
We're gonna go do Terrifier again.
Yeah, Terrifier.
What an amazing studio tour we had. And we got to do it at night, even though it's like 5 o'clock. But it's how dark it gets now out here. There's a big structure now, building pretty much gone vertical right next to outside of Earthquake. So I can't wait to see that come to life. And there's a lot of other stuff that's going to be happening in the western area. But they had a huge quiet zone in Falls Lake area. It's just a complete rumor, but that it's going to be Jumanji. And I've seen there's a train there, and it's the same train that was in a soundstage over there behind Nintendo. Looks like the same train, so maybe The Rock and Jack Black, Kevin Hart, all those people are here today. That's so cool. Let's see if we could talk to the Grinch one more time and get on out of here. What an amazing day. I am so glad we just spontaneous tripped out here. to do studio tour in the night, that was just cool. Very, very cool. And we got to meet so many characters. The Grinch line, that thing did not go down. It was still like probably an hour to 2 hours. But they close at 7, so that's a good thing. It's a little bit later. I think next week is when they finally start just closing at 9. That's my favorite. I love when you can just come around 5 and still have an awesome day. So we gotta wait till next week to be here a little later. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully we start seeing some spinning cars and lots of construction updates. You really couldn't see a lot of stuff in the nighttime, but I'll try to do the studio tour in the daytime so you can catch up, because there's a lot of construction happening out there. All right, smash that like button. We are firing it down.